In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best motorcycle jackets in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. To start this list off, I thought it would be smart to begin with a great all-arounder jacket with ample protection and safety features. This is a very solid option for riders living in warmer climates and those who aren't afraid to layer up for cooler rides. The Klim Induction Jacket features Klim's carbonite mesh venting with heavy tear resistance and protection against a pavement that can quickly turn into a cheese grater, given the right speeds. You can find high abrasion zones in the shoulders and elbows, with D30 Level 1 armor hiding beneath those zones. The jacket is equipped with many 3-meter Scott light reflective zones and positions designed for maximum biomotion perception along the arms and upper back. Number 4. Our last two entries, we're looking at the best overall summer and winter jackets. For summer, we've chosen the Dainese Super Speed Textile Jacket. It shares a lot of DNA with Dainese's premium racing jackets but in a lighter, mesh-based form. If you experience hot summers or live in a climate that's hot all year round, then this jacket offers serious airflow and serious protection in equal measure. Made from a selection of top-quality textiles such as Duratex and Boomerang, the Dainese Super Speed is tough, secure, and close-fitting. On the inside, the jacket has a removable windproof insert and a sanitized lining. It's a slim jacket, so it might not be the best option for larger riders, but there is a degree of adjustment that can be made at the waist, wrist, and neck. In terms of protection, the Dainese Super Speed Textile Jacket comes with composite protectors certified to N16621.197 standards and aluminum shoulder inserts. There are pockets for extra pads, including a back pocket for a G1 and G2 back protector, with a front pocket for chest pads. If you live in a warm climate, this is worth your money. However, if your summer doesn't get that hot, you might find another more versatile jacket a better investment. Number 3. Dubbed the best fit by a review team for motorcycle jackets, the Flavor Motorcycle Jacket with removable hood is offered in standard sizes, big sizes, and big and tall sizes. This leather motorcycle jacket is indeed made from 100% real leather, but it should be noted that it's made from pigskin rather than cowhide leather. The lining of the jacket is 100% polyester, while the filling is made from 100% cotton. A removable hood can be attached or detached via a metal zipper, to allow riders the ability to choose between wearing a hooded riding jacket or a more classic stand collar jacket, depending on the weather. Ribbed cuffs and hem make for a close fit around your waist and wrists, and are relatively effective at keeping the wind out. In terms of pockets, this jacket features 5 exterior pockets, 2 hand pockets, and 3 chest pockets, as well as 2 internal pockets. Number 2. If you're looking for something a little more cafe racer rather than cruiser rider, then we recommend the Scorpion XO 1909 leather jacket. Again, it's one of those effortlessly cool-looking jackets that looks more like a fashion item than a serious jacket, but it's not. The Scorpion XO 1909 is tough, rugged, durable, and will protect you in an accident. Designed as a tribute to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, which was founded in 1909, this heritage-inspired jacket features soft distressed leather with reinforced overlays on the joints, for a flexible and functional feel. Inside, the jacket has a removable overheat liner, stretch panels, and plenty of ventilation. Protection is provided by SASTEC Level 2 armor at the elbow and shoulder, along with a pocket that can accommodate a SASTEC back protector. Other practicalities include zippered vents, perforated panels, adjustment tabs, zipper closures, antique brass zippers throughout, and a pant zipper too. It looks great, but reviews have even found that it can stand up to real-life accidents too. It's an expensive jacket, but it will take care of you if you have a spill. Number 1. in the market for a jacket that ditches the athlete look, the off-the-chain could be a great low-cost option for you. The jacket is one of the highest and most reviewed jackets on our list by far, so you can trust the hundreds of individuals who have purchased this jacket in knowing you have made a good purchase. The S&S OTC 2.0 textile jacket is an all-rounder jacket that will trick you into thinking it has far fewer features than it really does. Despite the appearance, this jacket is constructed from a water-resistant AR600 frame, has 3 total locations of CE Level 1 armor, shoulder, elbow, and spine, reflective trim and shoulder expansion gussets in the event you need room for an extra layer underneath. If the hood isn't your thing, it's completely removable. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.